Good night, Mrs. Gracia and classmates. In this video, I will talk about climate change and the damages it's causing. I will provide some solutions for this. First, I will start talking and describing what is climate change. Global warming is the response of the Earth to human contamination. There are several things that act as evidence that this is happening. There is sea level rise, global temperature rise, ocean acidification, extreme events. All of these show the effect of global warming. Agriculture is an important sector in the economy in the world. But not only that, it is vital for human survival. Agriculture is highly dependent on specific climate conditions. The increase of CO2 can be beneficial for some crops in some places, but this increase also comes along with the effects it causes in the planet. For example, the nutrients levels, soil moisture, and water availability. Because of climate change, the water supplies have decreased. Water is vital for the growing of crops, animals, and humans. Also, warmer temperatures can affect the yields of crops. At the same time, it can induce the growing of damaging weeds. Because of this, humans are forced to use fertilizers when the nutrients are lost, and pesticides and fungicides to control the pests. This causes damage in the soil and contributes to the global warming and climate change. So we can say it's kind of a cycle. Heat waves also affect livestock. It can bring diseases, reduce fertility, and reduce milk production. Climate change can also reduce the amount of quality forage, and therefore the quality of the animal. Climate change is causing too much damage. That's why we have to start thinking in ways to reduce it or mitigation techniques. Farmers are not the only ones that need to adopt mitigation techniques, but all the people in the world. Climate change affects all the world, and if everyone starts using mitigation techniques, that's when climate change will stop. Some mitigation proposals are reducing sources of harmful gases. We have to think that these gases go directly to the atmosphere and damage the ozone layer. We also have to stabilize the levels of heat-trapping greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. For farmers, carbon sequestration, or more easily say positive manipulation in soil management, this may cause equilibrium in the soil carbon pool, which will be sustainable. Climate change is affecting all the world and directly affecting the agricultural field. So we have to start thinking in ways and actions to stop this or decrease the effects that it's bringing to us.